Have you ever stopped to think about how the food you eat shapes your energy, focus, and even your mood throughout the day? This isn't about complicated recipes or sacrificing taste, it's about understanding how simple, smart choices at breakfast, lunch, and dinner can completely transform the way you feel. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you exactly how to make your meals work for you, not against you. And trust me, you don't want to miss what we'll talk about when it comes to dinner. It's a game changer for better sleep and better mornings. Food is powerful. It's not just something we eat to fill our stomachs, it's fuel for every cell in our body. When you eat the right foods at the right times, you can boost your energy, stay focused longer, and feel healthier overall. But here's the issue, so many of us eat without thinking about what our bodies actually need. That's why today, we're breaking it down: what to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner to keep your energy steady, your mind sharp, and your body healthy. Whether you're someone who skips meals or eats whatever's most convenient, this video will show you how easy it is to build meals that work for you, without spending hours in the kitchen. So let's start with the most important meal of the day: breakfast. Breakfast, the foundation of your day. Breakfast sets the tone for your day. But here's a question: what do you typically eat for breakfast? Is it a quick pastry, a sugary cereal, or maybe just coffee? These common choices may give you a quick energy boost, but they'll also leave you crashing before noon. What your body needs in the morning is a combination of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Why? Because this combination fuels your brain, stabilizes your blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Here's a simple yet powerful breakfast idea: protein, scrambled eggs or a serving of Greek yogurt. Healthy fats, half an avocado or a small handful of nuts. Complex carbs, a slice of whole grain toast or a small bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries. For an added boost, sprinkle some chia seeds or flax seeds on your yogurt or oatmeal. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3s, which support brain function and heart health. Now, you might be wondering, what if I don't feel hungry in the morning? That's a sign your body's eating schedule might be out of sync. Start with something light, like a smoothie made with almond milk, spinach, a banana, and a scoop of protein powder. Over time, your body will adjust, and you'll start to notice how much better you feel with a proper breakfast. Lunch, the midday recharge. By the time lunch rolls around, your body needs a recharge. But here's the problem: too many people grab whatever's convenient, often greasy, carb-heavy meals, or skip lunch altogether. The result? You feel sluggish, unfocused, or even irritable by mid-afternoon. The key to a great lunch is balance. Think of it as 3 parts. Protein, this is the star of your meal. It keeps you full and supports muscle repair. Options like grilled chicken, tofu, lentils, or fish work perfectly. Fiber, vegetables should take up half your plate. Spinach, kale, bell peppers, and cucumbers are all nutrient-packed options. Complex carbs, these provide sustained energy. Quinoa, brown rice, or roasted sweet potatoes are great choices. Here's a quick example of a balanced lunch: a grilled chicken salad with spinach, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado, dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. Pair it with a small serving of quinoa or a slice of whole grain bread. If you're on the go, meal prep can save you. Spend an hour on Sunday preparing grilled protein, roasted veggies, and a whole grain option. Store them in containers so you can mix and match throughout the week. And here's an important tip: avoid sugary drinks or sodas with your meal. Stick to water or herbal tea to stay hydrated and prevent energy crashes later. Dinner, light and nourishing dinner is where many people go wrong. Eating heavy, greasy meals late at night can leave you feeling bloated and disrupt your sleep. Instead, dinner should be about nourishing your body without overloading it. A great dinner focuses on protein and vegetables, with only a small amount of carbs if needed. Here's an example of a balanced dinner: protein, a piece of baked salmon or a serving of lentil soup. Vegetables, steamed broccoli, roasted zucchini, or sautéed spinach. Healthy fats, a drizzle of tahini or a small serving of nuts. One thing you might not know: the timing of your dinner matters. Aim to eat at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. This gives your body time to digest, which can improve your sleep quality and help you wake up feeling refreshed. If late night cravings strike, reach for a light snack like a handful of almonds or a small bowl of Greek yogurt. These options won't overload your digestive system but can still satisfy your hunger. Snacks, smart choices between meals. Let's talk about snacks. Snacks often get a bad reputation, but when chosen wisely, They can actually help you maintain steady energy throughout the day. Here are some smart snack ideas: a handful of mixed nuts and seeds, a small apple with almond butter, carrot sticks with hummus, a boiled egg with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. The key is portion control. Snacks are meant to bridge the gap between meals, not replace them. And remember, if you're craving something sweet, go for natural options like fresh fruit rather than processed sugary treats. Tips for staying consistent. Healthy eating isn't about being perfect. It's about creating habits that work for your lifestyle. Here are a few tips to stay consistent. Plan ahead. Take a few minutes each week to plan your meals. This prevents last-minute decisions that often lead to unhealthy choices. Batch cook. Prepare staples like grilled chicken, roasted veggies, or a big pot of soup. These can be stored in the fridge and combined into quick meals. Stay hydrated. Sometimes hunger is actually thirst in disguise. Keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Be flexible. Life happens, and you won't always stick to the plan. That's okay. Focus on making the best choice available rather than giving up entirely. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how foods make you feel. Adjust portions and ingredients based on what gives you energy and keeps you satisfied. Now that you've got the tools to build a day of healthy eating, here's my challenge to you: try these tips for just 1 week. Notice how your energy, focus, and mood improve. Write down what works for you and what doesn't. This small experiment could be the start of a long-term transformation. And here's something exciting: I've created a free meal planning guide to help you get started. Check the link in the description to download it. It's packed with easy recipes and tips to simplify healthy eating. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might need it. Let's build a community of people who are excited to feel their best every single day.